Guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. So this could be the last one now, and I'm potentially saving the best one to last. This is a stunning vehicle, American classic that has possibly the most recognizable silhouette. This is the 1960s Fastback Mustang. Beautiful. As I say, in the world of classic American muscle, few silhouettes command attention like the early Mustang Fastback. And among those, one badge stands out above the rest, the legendary S-Code. Introduced in 1967, the S-Code identified Mustangs fitted with a 390 cubic inch big block V8. Rated at 320 horsepower, built for torque, straight line thrust, and real muscle car authority. It was at the top tier performance Mustangs until the 428 Cobra Jet arrived in 1968. The S-Code cars featured stronger drivetrains, beefier suspension, larger radiators, and heavy duty brakes, making them among the most formidable pre-Shelby Mustangs. While not directly linked, the S-Code shares the engine family with the 1968 Mustang GT Fastback, driven by Steve McQueen in Bullitt. Their stance, sound and presence make the S-Code Fastbacks the closest experience to the McQueen street racing legend without owning the movie car. Built by Ford's New Jersey plant in August 30th, 1966, the Fastback was originally Nightmist Blue with matching vinyl bucket seats, delivered to Stewart Motor Co. in Washington State. It spent decades in Arizona, dry desert climates, preserving its condition. Imported to the UK in 2015, it underwent a full restoration by Pomona Cars, with attention to suspension, interior, chrome, wheels, tyres and air conditioning. Under the bonnet, the car now houses a fresh 351 cubic inch Ford Cleveland V8, paired with a rare OAD 4-speed automatic with factory overdrive. It features roller rockers, crane crankshaft, flat top piston, Edelbrock intake and carburetors, Hedman headers and Flowmaster exhaust, billet pulleys, and variable setting ignition. Additional enhancements include front power brake conversion, modified gearbox mounts, a new prop shaft and diff seal, new heater matrix, adjustable rear shocks, and a full 2022 tune-up. Since restoration, it's covered just only 2,000 miles, remaining tight, responsive, and beautifully stored. Finished today in forest green, which is a beautiful colour for this car. Subtly paying homage to the Bullitt aesthetic, it comes with a full history file, invoices, Marty report confirming S-Code status, and all supporting documentation. With its striking looks and upgraded powertrain, the authentic big block heritage, this 1967 Mustang S-Code Fastback is a standard example of the late 1960s. A car not built and just to admire, but to drive.